Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today I'm going to show you on how to make tassels out of yarn. It's gonna be our 4th of July Patriotic Garland. It's gonna be red, white, and blue, of course, for the yarn. And if you have a front door that has 2 windows on both sides, it's going to be great because that's what I'm going to do. I have 2 windows on both sides of my front door and I'm going to make 2 garlands. So let's go and make some garland. Okay guys, this is my yarns. I usually get the Red Heart brand. It's usually a good quality product. I'm not getting sponsored by this company, but this is my favorite brand when it comes to yarn. I usually get the Super Saver Jumbo. It's cheaper. It's around $8, and then the regular size, which is the Super Saver, it's around $6. But you get a lot of projects out of it. Probably 3 strands of garland. It just depends how long your garland is and how big are the tassels gonna be. Also, the colors are white, and then cherry red, and then soft navy. And those are the names for the particular color for the patriotic garland that we're going to make today. The large one, which is the jumbo, it runs 744 yards. And then for the regular size, it's 364 yards. So it's quite long. You're gonna use this jute string to measure how long your garland is gonna be. So what I do, I just measure like the fireplace mantle or even just the door, wherever you want to put this garland to. You just measure it, and then what I do is I put nails somewhere, like in a garage walls or something like that, or tie it both chairs so that it's nice and tight, or even the mantle, and tie it over there. And I will show you in a minute on how to do that. That way when you tie your tassels on the string, it's nice and tight, and then it's, you know, it's easy to measure how far the tassel is gonna be and how much tassels do you need. So first thing first, you're gonna need a template. You're gonna cut out a cardboard, probably nice and square, 12 by 12 inches. Then you're gonna cut it in half, and then write it down here, 12 inches, okay? And this is going to be our tassels. And for all the ties, the string that we're gonna use to tie the tassels, you're gonna need 10 inches and then 6 inches. And this is gonna be easier to use if you have these templates. Okay, so I'm gonna start with red. Since it's red, white, and blue, it's easier to coordinate them. Okay guys, so we're gonna start cutting the string. So we're gonna do the short one first. Okay, the 6-inch. So you're gonna leave a little bit on the bottom, hold down it with your thumb, and then what I do is I double count it. As soon as it passed through my finger, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, okay? And then lay it on the table, cut it that way, and then cut it on the other side. There you go. So you have your short string. Now we need a 10-inch, 17 of this. So I just throw this down on the floor so that it's easy for me to pull it. So 2, again. Cut it cut it. Cut it that way. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna make our tassel now. And this is going to be 50 counts, but it's gonna equal to 100, like this way. And then you're gonna just slip it out like this and hold on to it and make sure they're even, nice and even. Okay? And then you're gonna lay it on the table. You're gonna grab your long string first. Okay? Lay it in the middle. And then you're gonna hold both sides of the string, at both ends, I mean. And then you're just gonna stick your finger right there, the thumb and your index finger, and pull it like this so that it's in the center. Make sure these are even on the bottom here. See that? Make sure, okay? And then you're just gonna tie this. Take your time, make a knot, tie it really tight like that, and then one more. Just like that. And then you're gonna hold it like this, okay? You're gonna turn, and then you're just gonna make a knot. And then push this up all the way, not all the way to the top, but just enough, you know, piece that you can pull. And then spread this apart and pull really tight, just like that. There you go. Now, this container we're gonna use for the garbage can. So when you're done tying it, you're just gonna trim that piece. Then you're gonna hold it like this. And you're gonna cut all these loops. Just like that. You can run your scissors through. That way make sure there's nothing that you missed. Okay? You're gonna lay that down. And you're gonna grab your short string. Okay? Again, in the middle. And we're gonna make a head, okay, for our tassels, okay? It's gonna be like about 1 inch. You're just gonna tie it really tight. And then you're gonna tie it 3 times. So that was 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So what I do is if this is my first one, okay, hold on. So after you tie that, you're gonna cut it just like that. And if this is your first one, all you're gonna do is you're gonna trim this first, because this is gonna be your model, your sample. Every time you make a tassel, you're just gonna measure it through this, how long it's gonna be. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not gonna be even, like the length, as long as the bottom is gonna be nice and neat. And then you just pop the head like this, and there you go. You got a tassel. So if everything is measured right, they should measure the same, right? And that's fine if it's not like perfect, because this is handmade after all. And if the string is a little bit long, of course, you can always tie it one more time. Make a knot and just push it up, pull, stretch, and then cut this. Okay, there you go. And you have to make 17 of these. All right. I'm gonna make the white one now. To make it easier, it's red, white, and blue. So red, the first one would be 17, and then the white and the blue, you have 16 counts. Okay guys, I made all of the tassels, so now I'm going to show you how to hang it on the string. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. I just measure through my little fireplace mantle. This one is just the portable one, see? And what I did is I just put a nail behind the mantle on both sides, and then I tie the string or the jute string right here really tight. That way when I tie my tassels, it's easier to tie it, just like this one here. And then I start at the end over here. So red, white, and blue. And it's about 1 inch, the gaps right here. Each gap is 1 inch. Okay, and that's how your pattern's gonna be, is start with red, white, and blue. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to hang this. So the knot, it's gonna go behind the string like that, and then you're just gonna open it up, stick the head, pull out like that. That way this knot here will hide behind the string. There you go. See that? Again. Like that. Just gonna pull. Just like that. One more. Behind the string. Open, pull, down like that. There you go. And then when you're done, you just mix it up evenly. Okay? Okay. There you go. So at the very end, I just add another red. That way it matches on the other side. Okay. Now we're gonna hang it by the door. Okay guys, I just use the hooks, if you can see up there, the command hooks. That's all I used. Okay guys, so I made this star, actually stars, 2 of them, for the hook so that you don't see the hook. It's made out of foam. You can also make it out of cardboard. You just loop the yarn around, wrap it until you don't see the cardboard or the styrofoam anymore. And I'm just gonna put this on top of the hook, and then I'll show you the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope that it inspires you to make one for yourself. It's very easy and fun to do. Go out there and make yourself a tassel garland and have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching DIY with Lenny, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.